Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, we're going to be doing a tutorial on how you could make money with a particular niche, ranking a website and actually profiting with Google Adsense. Of course, there's other ways you can monetize the website, but in this strategy, we're going to be looking at a really cool niche that you could get into that has just continued to grow and grow year after year. As you can see on the page, I've typed in free plagiarism tool. Okay, what can you do with that, right? Well, there's a lot of different things you could do. You could actually go out and outsource somebody to write a script and put it on your website for a plagiarism tool. It probably wouldn't cost too much. I would say you could probably get that created for you from $300 up to maybe $1,500, depending on who you hire and how complex the code will be. But I imagine it would be a pretty easy task for any average programmer or coder, and then you would just build out this tool, free plagiarism tool. People are typing this in, they're going and using this, right? Because it costs money, like Copyscape, it costs money to pay for those premium tools to check plagiarism across the web. And so by providing something for free, then you're providing a service that millions of people need, and they're typing in. You can see right here the trend for this free plagiarism tool. I mean, just look at this all time. Look, it started off, it's actually been around since the early 2000s, but look, it just boom, boom, boom. And then somewhere around here in 2013, it just skyrocketed every single year. There was a dip for a year, but then look at this. It's at its highest peak right now in March, April 2022. So the trend is insane right now. What can you do with this though, right? So if we come down here and we actually check out what one of these websites looks like, it's Plagiarism Checker. This small SEO tools has been around for a really long time. Look, they have a DA, a Moz domain authority of 57, some really cool bonuses for you. This is my Jool bonuses. I'm just going to go through them real quick and right here, and they're on an upwards trend. They've got over 20,000 referring domains, referral links. They have 1.5 million backlinks. Yeah, it might be hard to outrank them for this particular keyword, but there's so many different variations of keywords that we can come in here and actually still get into this market. Let's go and look at what this small SEO tools looks like. So we come over here, small SEO tools right here, and I always like to analyze the traffic. This tool right here on SimilarWeb, it's as good as any at analyzing about what kind of traffic a website's getting. It's saying it's getting 8 million monthly visits. That is insane, right? And we're going to be looking over here at the average duration is almost 4 minutes. People are actually using these tools and staying on the site for an average of 4 minutes. That's pretty dang good considering 8 million people are visiting the site. So the first thing that stands out to me when I come to this website is that I see an ad blinking at me, right? There's an ad blinking at me. And of course, if you're that kind of person that's like, you're doing everything you can to not click on the ads, right? Well, here's the thing. These kind of sites, they're making their money from ads, right? They're making their money from ads. And obviously you can probably avoid clicking the obvious ad right there. But as you go down, they do have a pro option too. So they'll make money off of pro ads as well. And if you want to click on no ads, that means if you don't want ads on the site anymore, then you can actually pay them and you can get no ads on the site. Use it more like a professional SEO tool. But if you're going to use it free, then they're going to throw some ads at you, no problem. But here's what's really cool. The conspicuous ads, one right here, Grammarly. This is not blinking on you at all. Get Grammarly free, right? So just someone clicking on here to get something for free, they're going to make money, right? 8 million people are coming to the site. People are going to click on this, they're going to make money. So that's how they make their money. It's advertising, right? And then look at available on, if you click on this right here, this is another ad. They're going to make money if you click that as well. So there's just ads all over the website. And it's actually not too bad. They show all their ads up here at the very top 10% of the web page where they know they're going to get the most clicks. There's also ads over here as well. Click here. See, so this plagiarism checker right here is actually an ad. So it's estimated they're making between $10 and $15 million per year on this site, small SEO tools. So you can actually make a website. Look at this little tiny tool right here, this script right here, this little tool, and they're making a crap load of money. Now of course, there's a lot of other tools inside of here. Look at all these: article rewriter, plagiarism checker, grammar check, word counter. I'm going to block that. Paraphrasing tools, spell checker. I mean, so that's 4, 8, 12, 16, 17 tools. It's actually not that much. They have design tools right here, image editing as well. They've really just gone above and beyond. And look at all these keyword tools. So they're putting out the kind of the framework and the mapping for this, right? You could go and just be like, cool, I want to just do keyword tools. I'm going to make a few of these and build a site. So you can go and build a site. You can hire someone to write some of these scripts for you, but let's say each one's going to cost $1,000 and you want to put start your site off with 4 or 5. It's going to cost you $4,000 or $5,000, but then you're going to have a nice website with some free tools on there, and you can go and actually start writing about those tools as well, bringing traffic in and so forth, right? We go and actually check this small SEO tools out on our Uber Suggest tool. They're ranking for 403,000 keywords. It is amazing, right? And they have a ton of traffic coming to the site. They're actually, or estimated on this tool, at 12 million monthly traffic. So somewhere between 8 and 13 million they're getting. I'll take either one. I'll even take the low number on that one. Domain authority 57, backlinks 1.6 million. And you can see how this upward trend follows our graph over here, right here as well, right? And this is just for the keyword. But this is actually for the site itself has been growing as well, right? They're currently ranking for 18,648 keywords, ranked in position 1 to 3. This website is just hitting it out of the park. Of course, we can look down and see what keywords bring in the most traffic to, or what pages bring in the most traffic. Then we can come back here and reverse engineer this website, right? You might not be able to rank for some of these keywords, that are getting 500,000 searches and they're ranked number 1. No wonder why they're getting so many views. Plagiarism checker, they are ranked for the parent most valuable keyword, plagiarism checker. Boom, they're ranked. But what we can do with this is you can actually go in here, view all SEO keywords. We can click on that. And this is how you can kind of build your site out, right? You can go in here, and what I would do is go to SEO difficulty, only look at easy keywords, right? So now look at all these easy keywords that are still getting a ton of traffic. Paraphrasing tool. So instead of just, we could go after paraphrasing tool, and that one's going to be easier to rank for. But just look at all these great keywords we could actually build our site around that are getting a lot. Text from image. 22,000. And there actually is OCR technology that you could build a tool that actually can dissect the text from an image to text converter. They have a tool for that. Boom, done. So just all kinds of good stuff, right? Then you can actually come over here and get a domain for this. And you can go over to expireddomain.net and sort it by and filter it by tools. And then look at, you have all these .coms that have tools in them, right? Like right over here, you could just pick one up, toolleak.com. And it doesn't really matter too much what your website domain is going to be. But if you wanted to pick up an age domain, it might give you a little bit extra link juice to do that. Now, you could go this route, or you could actually go and pick up a product right here that just hit the market. It's called Jool. Now, basically, I'm not going to take you through the entire sales page. You can click on the first link below and go check it out. It's a full-blown sales page. You'll be able to go and check it out. It actually costs $17, but I'm actually going to let you in on a little secret. If you scroll off the page, it's not working right here. Let me see if I can refresh the page. But if you scroll off the page, it's going to say, wait, and you're going to get a $5 discount, right? So you're going to get this for $12. What does this tool do? It actually builds a website like this, okay? It builds a website like this. I'm going to show you, and it actually gives you the tools. It's giving you access to, on the front end for $12, it's giving you access to 5 tools like this, right? So obviously, this is a good product. You're going to get 9 full training videos right here. They're all right here. This is the back end of the product, right? So you get all those training videos telling you exactly what you're going to get. You also actually get some bonuses too. I don't really worry too much about those. But then you go into the tool site. Now on the front end, you're going to get the article rewriter, backlink checker, backlink maker, icon generator, and plagiarism checker. You actually get the plagiarism checker on the front end for $12. All you're going to do is download this, right? Once you download one of these, you're going to get all the files, right? The CSS files, the images, the legal, the lib, and the index PHP. Then you can go and actually, it shows you how to upload this to a new domain, your own website. You are going to need your own hosting and your own domain for this. But then once you upload all 5 of these, you're going to have a tool right out of the gates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to have 5 tools automatically. Now, one of the upgrades, I believe you get access to more tools. And I'll tell you about what the OTOs are. The OTO 1 is $39 unlimited. So you create unlimited campaigns and unlocked unlimited capability. And then you get Jool overnight traffic. I believe he's going to send out an email on his behalf. I mean, he has hundreds of thousands of people on his email. The person that made this, Venkata Ramada, and then Jool automation. Let's see, automate Jool and make more profits. Let's see. Jool done for you. So if you just want someone to do everything for you, it's $197. Then you have the 1 hour profits, $39. Jool reseller. If you want to actually resell this product, then you can get 100% commissions, and it's only for $39. And then you get access to 4 incredible apps for a one-time price. So you get 4 more apps added on. So Jool bundle OTO 7 for $39. I recommend this one for sure to get more apps applied. Okay. So this is what you're going to get after. It's going to take you through all the training. You've got all the tools right here, and it has some other upgraded sections. There's a support desk right there, and you can go out and build a site that has these tools, about 10 tools. If you get that OTO done, then you can go out. It'll be your job to go out and dissect and reverse engineer some of these websites that actually are doing this, and find some keywords that you can actually optimize your site for, so you can start getting training, because you're actually going to be offering a real tool that people can use. And then once you do that, then people are going to just come land on your site like this, and they're going to click on ads, and you're going to make money with Google AdSense. So if you decide to pick this product up today, I actually offered some really cool bonuses for you. This is my Jool bonuses. I'm just going to go through them real quick. I'm actually going to give you access to my 3-hour premium course, Small YouTube, Big Profits, how I turned 500 subscribers into $13,000, and how you can do it too. I didn't even show my face on this channel, and I was already making $13,000. You don't need to show your face, and you don't need even 1,000 subscribers, and you can start making money with affiliate marketing. And so this is going to be definitely worth the price of submission, worth the price of just getting the product today. You're going to get Small YouTube, Big Profits. The bonus number 2, I'm going to show you my secret YouTube ranking method. This is cool because you'll be able to go and build out a YouTube channel as well, and then start sending all that traffic to your website, so you can introduce the product to them. You can get more traffic and get ahead and start ranking quickly and start getting traffic quickly, so you can kind of double team the traffic strategy, use YouTube, and then people will go to your site, use your plagiarism tool, use your article rewriter tool, and then a certain percentage of them are going to click on your ads, and you're going to get paid that way. Bonus number 3, 12 pages of actionable content. You're going to learn how to get real traffic to your website. So this is very relevant to this, because you're going to be wanting to focusing on, you're going to have the website done in like a day. So you're going to want to focus on getting traffic to that website. So that's where bonus number 3 comes in. 12 more ways to get traffic. Another really cool secret method on how to get secret traffic to your website. Bonus number 4. And then bonus number 5, pin boost traffic. And this is how you're going to use Pinterest. 9 over-the-shoulder training videos. Use Pinterest to get traffic to your website. Okay. So these are my exclusive bonuses. If you want to pick this product up for $12, get Jool, get the tools. I mean, literally the tools themselves, they're right here. You're going to be able to install these on your website, right? Then go in here and do some keyword research, find some keywords, and then you're going to be able to go and start profiting from this. So that's my bonuses. That is my video. Go and click on the link below. You'll be taken to this page. All you have to do is just click on one of these buttons right here, and it'll take you over, and you'll be able to go and get your bonuses. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next.